Okay, so, sorry for the mess. If you are seeing this, I think I figured out a really interesting system of fabric. I was making a bowl on my TiVo Tornado. I made this. This is the excess from the top, and when I cut it off, I found that it feels like fabric, and like fabric, it goes back to the right shape. If you are interested in this, you should try and create it. And this is PLA plastic printed at 200 degrees with the build plate set at 60 degrees using AO Robotics really cheap filament on, again, my TiVo Tornado. Thank you. Goodbye.